Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to export your Microsoft Excel workbook as a PDF file. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Export. Tap on PDF. Here you can select the orientation, the settings, so the paper size, and other layout options that you can see here, such as print active sheet, print entire workbook, or print selection. Tap on the button Next down below and you should select storage information and tap on Move. So now your workbook has been exported to that folder or to that place that you have selected as a PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.